central Virginia, northeastern Halifax County, and south central Virginia until 9:15 p.m. At 8:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sac, or near Charlotte Courthouse, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kyneville, Charlotte Courthouse, Phoenix, Clover, Drake's Branch, Mount Laurel, and Abilene. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds, as well as deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page.